everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Uthando nesthembu. Firstly, I want to give credit to Mseleku for being indoda ekwazi ukuxolisa uma ngabe ingakhulumanga kahle. In the previous season wavala ngamagama ebuhlungu ukuthi abahambayo bona bazosala bencenga. Wathi ke vele omayeni benomangwabe webathathe emadodeni aba. I'm not sure ukuthi waitha ababuyele kuyini. And guys, ngenxa ukuthi ke abaphathekanga kahle, umamkhulu Macele had to clear the air. Mangwabe shared how she felt about that statement. Uthi ke nakuye asihlalanga kahle. It was like wabathatha bethandana namadoda amaningi ngendlela ayisho ngayo Mseleku. Umusa apologized wayesecela ukukhuluma noMayeni who didn't change her mind ngalesicefe sika number 5 esesikhathaze nathi sama viewers. And guys, so yeah, now we don't know if Mseleku will be able to listen to Mayeni and Mangwabe or uzoba yeka bahambe and continue to take another wife without their approval. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.